Welcome to this beautiful home in the heart of Tooele. Sits on an 1.5 acres, 3 beds, 2 baths. This is one you have to see in person. This beautiful property comes with 1.57 acres, a water share, outbuildings, and as much space as you could possibly want. Livestock permitted. Cut down on your feed bill with a full pasture of grass. This property has mature trees that are fruiting with plum, apricot, apple, cherry, and pears to your liking. This one is a must-see in person.